Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is about Aeee 2025, which is Amrita University complete counseling process. I'm going to talk and step by step process, and you don't do mistakes. So I'll give some tips also. So before that, you know that Amrita University is one of the best options in India for doing your engineering, and it takes admission through Amrita Engineering Entrance Exam. And if you see placement trend for last year, like around 200 plus companies visit it annually, and the highest salary was 56.95 lakhs, and the average CTC approximately 9 lakhs. So I have made the college complete review video, which is that there is a link in the I button here, and you can check that. But regarding counseling process and admission process, there are a lot of queries regarding the scholarship. So you can see that there are different slabs, right, for which you get admission. So scholarships are based on the entrance rank. The scholarships slab depends on rank, branch which you are considering, seat availability, and the number of applicants who are there in that category. So it is a mix of all, and it is possible that some of students may not get this benefit, right? And then there are certain questions related with which is there any scholarship specifically for economically weaker section candidates? The answer is no. There is no such scholarship based on the economic weaker section or based on the income levels, and they accept AEEE or JEE based scholarships only, that is performance based scholarships. So hope you understood that there are two modes of admission, AEEE or JEE main scorecard. So students who wants to apply only through JEE mains, they can pay the fees of 500 rupees and can upload their your JEE mains scorecard, and then you will be considered for the counseling process. And I will talk about the complete counseling process now. Before that, you should note that once preferences are submitted, you cannot change it after the deadline. So you have to put your preferences very carefully. I will cover that, don't worry. So what is CSAP? So they have something called centralized seat allotment process, which is their counseling process, right, for the seat allocation. So seats are allocated based on candidates' preference, campuses, courses, eligibility, and ranks what they have got in AEEE or JEE mains, for which they are applying for the counseling process. And lot of times the question comes that is counseling fee refundable, right? So counseling fee is refundable, that is the good news, but the condition is that you have not got any branch till the end of the CSAP counseling. So if you are not getting any branch till the end of the counseling, then only your counseling fees will be returned or refunded. If you get any one seat in any campus, any branch, then the CSAP counseling fee will not be refunded. Now, the overall process, if you see, I mentioned the CSAP, which is counseling process, or so they have the CSAP portal also. So candidate must first complete the online registration on the CSAP portal, and I will give the link later in this video, using their credentials, login and password, and then they have to pay a non-refundable counseling fee of 5,000 rupees. So that is what refundable only in one condition, which is when they don't get any seat. Choice filling, students can do choice filling up to 42, but not exactly 42. They can put 41 preferences of different combination of branches and courses and the campus. So that is what I said, that a CSAP registration link will be enabled and it will be sent to applicants, and based on their ranks they should do 41 preferences of branch and campus combination. So it is better advised that you use this opportunity if you want to get a seat in Amrita University. Don't do just 5 to 10. It will not work because there is a lot of competition, and you should have maximum options open. So that is what the CSAP registration process helps you basically choose your preferred campus and the courses. And if you don't know where you will get your AEEE ranking, so basically for after both the phases there was a ranking which or performance which is shown as a percentile, right? So after the first phase student, they got AEEE percentile. Now after the second phase, which is ending on 11th of May, after that again the result will be published, and they will be able to see their percentile scores only. Rank card is going to come later. So as you understand, the Amrita University entrance exam happened in two phases. Phase 1 from February 1 to 3, and the phase 2, the dates were from May 7 to May 11. Similarly, the phase 1 result was declared on February 8, 2025, and similarly the phase 2 result will be declared by May 19, 2025. So that is the tentative date when the results are going to be declared. So this is basically the CSAP link. You can see csap.amrita.edu./ and you will see this BTech centralized seat allotment process 2025. And welcome to CSAP 2025. And it talks like, to access the portal, please click the button below and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you will be able to find the option of your dashboard to proceed. So it will say go to the CSAP portal. So the next process is about document verification. So basically there are a set of documents which students will need to upload the scanned copies for the verification purpose. That is the step number 3. And then the actual seat allotment is going to happen based on the Aeee JEE main scorecard and the preference which student have filled, right? And the 5th stage is like fees payment. So upon seat allotment, candidates will have to pay a seat acceptance fee of 1 lakh rupees to confirm the admission. So there will be advance fees, this is a sort of, and then you will have to pay full fees at later date. So all of these dates are going to come soon, but this is how the information available right now. And I'm going to cover more details in the upcoming videos which are with respect to CSAP counseling. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates on Aeee.